Hi, my name is Patrick. Now, with CAT admit card right down the corner, what you should do, or five things to do once it's out. What you can do. So, first step is obviously download the admit card. Log in, click on the admit card tab, and download it. So you have the admit card with you. Remove printout, go through the whole thing, draw your name, everything, see everything is proper or not. Okay, so go to the entire instructions that I mentioned out there given an admit card. And documents required to be carried. Ensure those documents are in place. Go to the instructions properly. Is there any changes? Is there any difference which is there? Anything related to you? And specifically focus on the documents that are required to carry. Ensure that you have the documents in place much beforehand. Keep it in a proper place, a proper file, so you don't have to worry during the examination day. Check the location. Find exact location of the center. If it's quite far from your place, how are you going to travel to that place? Come back. You may have to stay overnight out there. Suppose in a different city, a lot of people have a center in a different city. Then you need to make a plan. Would you go on the same day or do you go a day before, stay out there and then write the exam? Okay. Understand you can't change the center once it's allocated to you. That's not possible. So don't think of changing the center, but make plans based on the center given to you. And accordingly, make travel plans, staying plans, everything. Also, slot of the examination. Make note of the time slot. Ideally, write the mocks during that time slot. You should get into habit of writing mock in that time slot. It helps because mentally it makes you prepared to write the mock during that slot. Okay, and be active during the time slot. So basically, if suppose just giving an example, if your time slot is 2 to 4 and your habit of sleeping in the afternoon 2 to 4, avoid that habit. Ensure that you're active at 2 to 4 or doing something or the other. Avoid sleeping during that point of time. Make a plan. Now you know your date of mock, you know the time of the mock. Make a plan. Plan your mock dates. Make a rough study plan. I made a video on a study plan for both working and non-working professionals. You can look at those videos to help you make a plan. So a video, make a study plan. Ideally, a written down study plan, because written down plan is always better. No problem in modifying it on a regular basis. Do modify it, but have a written down plan. Right? Hope that helps. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with your preparation. All the best.